Young people have to make a trade-off between accessing online homework assignments and their safety and well-being, and that's unacceptable. I'm concerned about a report by Digital Peace Now that cited 1 in 3 online users have had a personal account hacked. According to a report by UNICEF, 1 in 3 young people have been a victim of online bullying, and 1 in 5 have skipped school as a result of cyberbullying and violence. And most recently, UNICEF Executive Director Henrietta Fore stated that there are worrying signs online predators were taking advantage of the pandemic. And I quote, "There's a lot of grooming, a lot of sexting, a lot of trafficking." Young people should not have to succumb to the idea that online harm and cyber threats are simply the cost of global connectivity, because they don't have to be. But there's an even greater risk. The risk that young people will not get to reap the full benefits and opportunities technology presents because we are busy sewing the holes caused by the preventable risks of global connectivity. From car seats to TV advertising, every technological innovation has been accompanied by protections and regulations, with youth at the forefront of those considerations. In a world where a new child goes online every half second, it's time we bring proper regulations, security measures, and universal standards to the online world for young people. Thank you.